What's up, guys? Today is the Wednesday. Today is the. Let me look at the day. What's today's date?
It's the 5th November, Wednesday.
The 5th November, guys. And we have 5% on our first phase 5K account, the fourth one that we bought this year. But we up 5%, which is the highest percentage we've ever gotten on all our propfirms. So there is progress to be made. Right now, we're still looking at a gold trade. We're still analyzing it. We're still contemplating if today, because Wednesdays aren't the best moves. And all we need at this point is one trade, just one trade, and we're done. You know? So right now we're just analyzing gold trade, me and my brother. All we have to do is make sure that all of the criteria are met, all the requirements are met, and then we can get to it.
Yeah, so guys, today's a Wednesday. Wednesdays aren't really the days. We thought about not taking a trade today. We followed the rule from a certain trader who said that if you have 2 wins in a row, you shouldn't trade the next day. But we thought that doesn't really stick with us. Because as a trader, you should have conviction towards the things that you should do. Every trader has a different personality to what he trades for. So we thought about taking a trade, following the setup. If the setup is good, you shouldn't stick to your emotions. You should follow the setup. So that's what we're going to do today. We'll see how it plays out and we'll show you how it goes.
This is the trade we're currently looking at, guys. A gold trade. Simple thing is basically the last trade. Basically like the last trade that we took yesterday. But the only difference is today is a new day. You cannot follow what happened the last day. You could buy, you could sell. And as you can see, this little 1 to 2 here is what we took yesterday when it should have been a 1 to 3. But if you guys been following the videos, you know that you'll know what happened. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for New York Stock Exchange open, and then yeah, guys, we'll update you if everything goes as planned. So guys, we entered the gold trade. We're looking for a simple 1 to 2, nothing crazy. But yeah, guys, this was the first choice of the day. It was looking a bit sketchy, but we go with the system, feelings aside. So we're just waiting for it to see how it plays out. Then, you know, if there's a re-entry, we'll look for it because we risk less on this trade, knowing that it was a bit sketchy. But yeah, guys, just following the system. So what's the trade we took? Update the people.
Hey guys, we took a gold trade. We took a buy on gold. Yeah, right now the time is 4:23. As we enter the trade goal, as it showed its confirmation. So now we're waiting for it to play out.
So guys, right now we took the gold trade, but compared to the usual entry entry model, the difference is that the FVG that was being filled was not as big as what we're used to. So right now it's still kind of following the rules, but we're still fucking around and finding out basically. But the rules still apply. So we did risk a bit less. Usually our risk is around 1 to 5%. Now we're risking around a 1% straight because we're not too far from profit, and we only need around today is one of our days we don't trade. But if we do get some piece, it helps for tomorrow. And mind the noise, guys. We have people at the house, you know.
Yeah, drinking out here, so yeah, guys, mind the noise.
Yeah,
but
mind the
even
noise.
if there's still noise, we're still focused and we're still out here trying to get some peace. Focus on the goal and focus on the dream.
Yeah, we got stopped out, guys. It didn't even move a 1-to-1, so the volume in gold clearly wasn't there. Right now, we'll be looking for better trades, a better re-entry somewhere, but for now, gold was invalid, and that's okay. We found a new trade on S100. We took a re-entry, guys. This one is the one that we should have waited for the whole day because the play out is exactly what we're looking for. So hopefully we can recover some of our losses. At the same time, hopefully maybe make more, you know. So guys, right now we took a second trade. in Nas 100, and it's a psychological psychological battle
Yeah.
that we're going through.
Yeah.
And this is what I'm trying to explain to my brother over here, because this is the exact same mistake that we're making last week that made us not be in phase 2 right now. We would have been done with phase 1, but because of the same psychological thoughts, these are the opportunities where we could practice the thing you need to practice. Get it over and done with. Because without this moment right now with the 5K account, how am I expected to pass a 10K account or 50K account or 100K account? Right now, it's just a battle of thought because price is moving. Am I willing to take another loss for the day? This is where your conviction in the system is the best, is mostly tested. How can you do once you take it out? And you see an opportunity again, can you take it? If you can't, then you don't really trust your system, unless you are risking more than you should have. I didn't over risk, I didn't over trade. I wasn't looking for a trade that didn't fit my criteria. I'm still staying focused to the same thing every day, the same thing. Because they say trade like a robot. It's literally easy if you just follow a step-by-step process. So what's the problem? The trade is currently playing out, guys, just as we thought, just what we needed. And it's already around our point. We already had past the 1 to 2. So I'm thinking of closing it around this area point. Be good for the day. Because Wednesdays are our best day. So at this point, just recover some of the losses and get a little bit of profit. So for today's trading session, we're done. What's up, guys? Today is the next day. It's Thursday. We were able to close the trade. Close the Nas trade at profit after taking an L. That gave us an up $45 profit for the day yesterday, making us at 317. Basically a little over 6%. So yeah, guys, one trade is about what's needed right now to finish phase 1. And it was mentally exhausting, guys, because the psychological part of sticking to a plan, knowing that you can go back, all that progress you feel like you made it, especially once you take it out. Imagine you take it out and then you take another L in the same day. It feels like you wiped out a whole day of trading. So these are the parts, these are the moments that make you a trader, guys. Propfirms are the best because when it comes to scaling, this is the best business to be in. You can start with a 5K account, upgrade to a 10K account, get your 100K, a 20K, the same skill, more capital. And that's the beauty about the times we live in. But yeah, guys, let's just break down this trade, show you quickly how we exited, what we're looking at.